Today, I'm going to turn Totoro into Easter eggs. So first we need to hard boil them. So I'm going to pop them into a pot and submerge them in some cold water. Then once that water is brought up to a boil, I'm going to take it off the heat, place a lid on top, and let them sit for 12 minutes. And now for the fun part, I have some painter's tape, but you could also use electrical tape. I've trimmed the corners of this piece of tape to create Totoro's tummy. And then I use a hole punch to create its eyes. Now I'm going to fill a glass with water and add some white vinegar, and this will help the color stick so much better. This is really important. I'm going to add a couple drops of black food coloring, mix it all together, and drop the egg in for just a couple seconds, maybe like 30 seconds to a minute. And look at that, it's already the perfect shade of Totoro gray. So I'm going to let them dry for just a second and then peel off the tummy part first. And you want to be delicate with this because you don't want to peel the shell off the egg too. And because my nails are long, I needed a tweezer to do the eyes, but that's okay. And now I'm going to take a food coloring pen. So this is basically a pen, but instead of ink, it's filled with food coloring. So it's safe for use on eggs. And I'm going to add all of Totoro's markings. Isn't this so simple? And do you know who also loves hard-boiled eggs?
Goodbye, Totoro.
Paddington!
Oh my god. Oh my god.